3 minutes. Is it right?
Huh? I think it's a full stop.
Go.
You should have added.
Yeah.
I should have added with you.
Yeah.
Just do it now.
Actually, right?
You can do like some courses. Ones that don't take too long. Just takes an hour to go
Yeah, just
That's like you wouldn't do that.
yeah, let me check.
Yeah. Now you're
Yeah.
Amazing. Oh.
Wait, do it sometime. I'm doing it live, bro.
Huh?
I'm doing it live.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Live?
YouTube live.
Yeah.
Who's watching that?
I'm just gonna share.
When you are YouTube.
Yeah.
Number one. The thumbnail is all profile picture.
So is everything set up now, or is there anything more we have to do?
Stapler?
Ah,
No, I'm not. My pencil.
why did it stop? Oh, why did you stop it?
Oh, accidentally.
I was playing it. Yeah.
You know where to find Steve?
What do you want to do, Julian? For what? Oh, to make it booklet? Oh yeah. Yo, Isu.
Yes, how are you? I heard it, and I heard it before.
Hi.
It's over there. I heard it hearing, Wake up like that. Have you seen the latest thing?
Yeah. We share them with that.
Don't put but it's just one week. Yeah, 1 week left. Let's let her go.
Ja, det går fan down.
No, it's just stay. The circles, but no, we tried to make it quicker, but then deeper, but then I thought we were afraid it's gonna like delay the story. Yeah, we don't have a Where did you get it? Let's play one song. That's a long song. Thank you guys. Yeah, so this one's LCD. Behind that is Raspberry Pi, and then Arduino. Pi and Arduino.
Is it too long? Progress bar is nothing but too long.
Yeah.
It's not long enough. Can you play the longest song? Which is the longest song?
Wait, can we actually move this a bit to the left so that people can go in front? Yeah. Let me just play this.
Nie mam pojęcia. Uważam, że ten projekt jest taki mniej więcej na 3 miliardy. Więc niestety nie wypełnia projektu. Wszyscy trochę z komplekty. To jest takie, że wiesz, widzieliście gitarę, jak każdy wie, gitarę. To jest do szkół, do fizyki, do restauracji i dla publicznych. To jest.
quality photo.
Yeah. Do you want us to move there? Yeah. Yes. Where can we get the photos, by the way? They can. So the later they will send me the.
I can send an email to you. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, don't worry.
Someone to
What's wrong, bro? Just the progress ring isn't correct. Like it's full and then it stops when it's full. So you know how progress ring should reach the end and then it stops? It's just the end before the end.
Oh, and then?
And then it rests again, the song ends and then it goes back.
Oh. Why do we have to work this?
I think the second one was the 8 notes per second one.
Ah.
That's it.
Best friend. Best friend. It's not so. Yeah.
Who's the rest?
Yeah, right.
Oh, yo, Fernando. What's your project, bro? Aren't you the Bagya?
No, who is
Ah.
we're doing a solar panel tour. Look at this. This is a really good idea.
Really?
And if I were to say what's the future of
Yeah.
making this white,
Yeah. Why that?
this white.
Oh yeah, disabled, right? Yeah, that's the thing. It's either because we're trying to get it like cheap, so that's why they kind of noisy. But then I think the ones with more the pricier ones are just like less noise.
Those are really good. Are you in the group?
Yeah, I'm part of this. Anyone in that?
Did you guys make everything in house?
Yeah. So most of them 3D printed, physical cutting. It's basically all IOM. IOM and next to it.
I like the fact that you can see
Right.
what
Yeah.
it
It
is.
is.
If you can do that with this,
As it makes that kind of clear.
if you can see the French, this would be a fantastic potentially to know what you want. So if you're looking at it, when you have this like in a snow moment, you can essentially know what French
It's paying. We were thinking of like put LEDs on top. So one people that would be on future. But yeah, we kind of have to like code the song manually, so it's taking quite a while to like code one song.
So you're not playing any of the French.
No, for now, no. Because that was the initial like iteration. We wanted to do that, but then we had like a lot of problems.
It's also just more wild.
Yeah, exactly. And like timing and stuff. So that's kind of like we have no problem. And we didn't have much time, so we kind of have like what this idea and then this.
You can cover most of the issues.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, do you play guitar? Maybe.
but, like, my
Okay.
sister does.
So like even if you only have this four, they cover like most of them. Yeah, exactly. So that's why.
Maybe just different, like it's a higher pitch.
Yeah.
This is mainly for any kind of riff.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
very nice.
Hello. Yeah. It's this one's stunning. You can do stunning and both fingerprinting. This one's the fret. Yeah. So this one covers from first to fourth fret. We could do the other fret because we don't really have that much, but then with only this four frets, it could play a lot of notes in chords. So basically a lot of songs already. I'll done.
Doesn't sound as good as Ed Sheeran. I would have put you in the.
It's fine. I mean, we're happy to be in the rock.
So, what do you think the applications are for it? See.
Yeah. So, because not only you can kind of like put in like restaurants, cafes, but we've seen kind of like needs where people with disabilities they want to play guitar, but say one of their they say they could fret or they could strum because these designs are modular. They can work independently. Yeah, so this one can be removed, but then this one will still work.
Yeah, okay.
So say you can set the fret and then you can do the strumming. So yeah.
Oh my gosh. I've never thought of that. Never thought of that.
Yeah, really. Yeah.
So potential uses, restaurants,
Like exhibits.
Yeah.
It's
Wow.
No.
No.
Okay.
Does it tune the guitar?
No, it doesn't. We have
Doesn't
to keep
tune.
our
Okay.
sound.
Yeah.
All it does is just
Not yet.
Not yet. That's a good one.
You can always expand on it.
You know what? Maybe we can kind of like look like to this side.
Are you here just for today or tomorrow?
I just today.
Okay.
This one to the side, right? Yeah. Maybe that one for the. Yeah.
Well, good luck with it. Thank you.
So much. Yeah, please keep a cook so we have all the songs.
Yeah.
So you can see what you get that. Then it would bring you to the
Oh, well, fantastic. Thanks for the time. Yeah. Good luck with it.
So where are they all going? For what? Oh, this is weird. Also, they basically left us here.
I mean, if you want.
It's okay. What's the story with this? Hi, so let me just play you a song first. Yeah. So what this does is you don't have to play the guitar, it plays for you. You just enjoy it. Yeah. I don't know if you know this song, but this is a loop by Young Heart.
You want out your wedding? No, I'm asking.
Us being the camera. Yeah, we don't know. Yeah.
Like, you might ruin your sword.
I think it is one of the most best songs.
I think we can say this.
Yeah.
You want to choose your own song?
Oh,
You can choose.
well, that's it. What about
You can start and so you can scroll down.
Ooh, that's one of my favorites.
Yes.
Okay,
There
and
you
then.
go.
Okay, then press play
Go
for you.
Go for it.
Go for it.
Little darling.
Yeah.
Little darling. That's when no one can
Like it. But you get the picture of it.
Amazing, amazing. I voted for this one.
Thank you so much. Luckily, we have it today. Yes, playlist we have. You can check out. This one? Okay.
Okay, we have multiple.
Hi guys. So basically today we're having a prototype demonstration, and that's basically our exhibition, final assessment for the FYP final year project, and this is our project. So it's an autonomous guitar, and by the name I think you would know what it does, right? And it's so simple to use. I mean, as a user, yes, it is simple, but as the ones creating it, no, it's not simple. No, it's not. So we basically have to code all these songs ourselves. So if you can see maybe around 12 songs here, and then all the songs you can basically play any songs, but then you have to code them yourself. So one of them is Blue. This is one of my favorite songs, and you just have to. Yeah, probably my only song.
That's what they said.
Who's ahead?
Yeah, no.
Oh, really? Okay. Hiya. Yo, how are you?
I'm good. How was the presentation?
Yeah, it was okay. Well, what's your group? Which one is your group?
It's the fish one.
Yo, you know what? I really like the poster. Like, who did that?
It's a girl.
Like, I think
Just noticed.
really.
No, no.
You know what? I think they might win though. Like, that's the one that kind of like really caught me. You know? Yeah, I really like the poster.
Thank you.
But you should see this one play. Okay, so
I used to play some guitar.
really.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you maybe press the play button? Yeah. Okay, and then just wait.
Blue.
And then yeah, so you know that song, right? Young Kai? You know Young Kai? No. Okay, no. This one.
You will call it. Yeah.
Oh,
So now it's just
strumming.
Yeah.
But they have another one. So if you stop, so we can play strumming. We can both strumming and finger picking. So do you know Let Her Go by Passenger?
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, so this is Let Her Go by Passenger.
Something.
Yeah. Yes, kind of.
Oh wow.
Where did you get this?
Huh? This one?
Not like
After our
or maybe they'll ask later.
Hopefully.
We'll have some more. Hopefully.
Wait, what did they say about Blue? About me and Blue?
No, they just said that I feel like that's the only song that I listen to.
how do you ensure that from your
Yeah.
music script to
Yeah. So
this one?
Okay, so we have like guitar. Oh, so the guitar.
I know the
You know guitar pads, right? Yeah, so guitar pads, we have to put them ourselves.
A lot of people ask you about the four frets. So you can just show that even if they are on this,
Yeah.
you can find alternative within the four frets. It's easier for you to explain. I'll just
Okay.
keep this.
Yeah, they're basically the chords.
Yeah, yeah. So we have until 4. Basically, this one.
So how do you like translate the script to?
You have to do it manually.
Manually.
Yeah.
Basically, for every of this
Server, right?
turbo, yeah, there is like a code for it. And then when you code it, you just enter what you need.
Yeah.
There's the backend.
Say like fret 1, guitar, string E, string B, string G. So basically, you have to manually change, like read the guitar pad, write it in the code, and then upload it here. And then only you could
So I imagine that you have a like general code to control it, and
Yes.
then you
Yeah.
and,
Yeah.
and then
You just have to put in E, B, G,
okay,
J, A.
and then you like you have a music file,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
you import it.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So the music file isn't in terms of like MP4, WAV, it's code, JSON.
Oh yeah,
It's encoded. So yeah, so it's encoded. So yeah, but then we have to code it and then import it inside and then only. Do you have your prototype today?
yeah. It's awesome.
Okay, I might come because I really like it.
I'll be over there.
Beli. Tak ada dong. Oh, ada kan? Kita kena tinggal dulu.
Soalan dia gila bagus. Yang tiga susah. Yang perempuan tu okey je. Soalan saya dan dia macam ni susah agak. Ya. Semua benda nak praktikal.
Ada masalah.
Nak macam korang ni komputer.
Ya. Topik kita semua tu.
Oh ya ke?
Yang bagus pun dia.
Serius lah?
Aku dengar topik tadi macam cakap pasal komputer.
Oh, ya. Ada video yang korang mainkan lagu ni.
Eh, live boss.
Oh ya.
Ya, live.
Ke mana orang?
YouTube.
Oh ya. Ada video.
Tadi ada satu, tak tahu apa.
Video live ah.
Live.
Apa channel?
Scan.
Bukan YouTube kau.
Ah.
Aku dah scan dekat IG tu.
Four frets and then how you did code it somehow. Ragu
Kan, sekarang. Ya, oh iya dong.
Yes.
Ada kita visi di belakang. Ada orang nak install, ada orang nak collect ni prototype. Oh, nak collect balik. Ya kalau prototype bisa kena nampak.
Great project.
Kalau kapal selam ada bawa sendiri.
Dengar dong.
Oh ya. Itu kalau dia orang masuk live ni dia boleh.
Yang
Memang dia ada aim. Nasi. Lepas tu plastic ocean. Aku buat.
Oh. You can sing songs. You can scan this. Yeah. No. You can kind of like songs. Yeah. Is this a live stream? You're in a live stream.
Aku tengok pun tengok hari tu. 24 hours tu. So dah boleh tengok. Berapa aku kongsi?
Alright. Hi guys. Oh, yeah. One sec. We're taking a picture.
I mean, the guitar won't ruin the picture.
When you throw up.
Try if I stand the other side.
It might take a while.
Okay, so I think for the other group first and then come back.
Ready?
Showing chords and notes basically. What we can play. Because sometimes they would ask like, what can you play? We're live though. Really?
And then after that, he left.
So I put it here.
Yeah. Honestly, brother.
One
Is there
person.
sound on it?
Yep. You can hear it. You think it's midnight before? Mine is also. Okay, Julian.
You stand behind?
Closer.
You have to be careful with these ones. You might get like there's a lot of battery that you change it. I'm just worried about like no, like
What are you fixing today?
Anybody on the stream? Yeah.
What's happening? It's connected and mine's here.
Restarting it.
Okay.
Why did you restart it? The light. Did you fix it already?
Yeah, it's a bit, it always feels a bit distant from the office. And then seeing it on the ground. Yeah. I'm curious what the usage case for this is.
You guys are here for a while.
But maybe not with the guitar, but with automatic piano sort of thing.
Yeah. I mean, you can guitars with the light never been successful.
So few people.
And then violin.
Yeah.
So
I have seen violins as part of the program. Not as a standard. I think it's done as part of Yeah. So because it's basically a novelty. But there's definitely engineering in it.
Live test. We're still live. Good. 你好，我是安里夫。And then what? I forgot.
Chat disconnected.
Yeah, but I don't know why. Huh? Miss. Where is that?
Hello, chat.
Right, restarted it. Because
Hey, yeah, not too bad. How are you?
I think if you would have like disability as the use case,
no,
Yeah.
mine is okay.
got them more. Like you said that in the end.
Yeah.
I think they were looking for that. Otherwise, the use case would look desirable.
Yeah.
Like you said lettuce.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the use case.
Yeah, but like,
But overall, the project like quite complex. Also taking a lot of time.
yeah, definitely did. We had like a lot of iterations, especially this.
And looks properly made, like not something.
Thank you.
It's quite organized.
Yeah, the first ones definitely weren't. Like some of our first prototypes were literally just like, literally
Is the
just.
setup quite heavy?
No, it's kind of like, I mean, the guitar itself is like 1 or 2 kilos, but the heaviest part is the closest.
Yeah.
Like, the whole thing is like 4 kilos. So I think the reasonable person could carry it.
I think the good part was like you said, this can be done with the
Were you guys at one? Like,
the presentation. Yeah, over in the second quarter.
or were you after the break?
After the break, just before the lunch.
Okay.
And then you're supposed to be the head left. So you get the
Yeah, because when we're trying to set this up,
Yeah.
Oh, so you guys
Yeah, yeah, the song.
is it Arrow Brothers?
Yeah,
Oh yeah. How was this? You guys have to go into the last one?
yeah, almost everything. But like Errol was really good supervisor. The project's been doing that since a couple of years. That was good help for supervising software. Helped us with testing as well. Like the acting, so we have to make mistakes around 22 hours. They were like, we did 300 experiments.
Inspiring by your
I was at the
Bro, what's going on?
I just applied for this. Yeah, I heard from last year's group that that is a really good supervisor. That's my decision. Yeah, definitely. Really. Yeah, I love him. He helped us a lot with the testing. Like, he wasn't just there to supervise us, he was actually helping us. So, he should be doing everything. I can help you with it. We had meetings every week. He loaded something.
Not really fixed, but
Started working with us as well. He's very special. He keeps on going to conferences, events, and stuff. He made a poster out of this. It's not like he's just supervising it. It's part of it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The internet is like.
Yeah. So, like, initially we wanted to do one. I think we have done
Demonstration.
You're using iPad? At least iPad. What's part of?
What's wrong with iPad?
Like, if I use hotspot on my laptop, no, it will bring the gigabytes. But if I use iPad, that's not.
We no internet connection. Hi. Yeah. Ni nga. There without a thought. Yeah. Since I think no one's here. Oh, okay. Someone's here. Hi guys. 4:45. You guys finished tonight? I was at 3. How was it though? Was it like kind of similar like that? I think I saw that. Kind of. It looked like yeah.
They asked for like an organized answer, like, oh, I know that. But this one, like, it was like an answer, like, we have we have recorded. I mean, this is the right UCM. But yeah, it was like,
So not kind of like as less chill as the presentation.
yeah, no, it's quite simple already. This is simple.
I mean, you can quite play. Like, you can choose your songs and then yeah, like
Did you program every song yet?
yeah, we kind of have to do it manually for each of them. Just gonna load.
I tried. It's not as very.
Do you know that song?
And yeah, from what I very interesting. Like if it's just like, how long did it take to like implement the song?
You mean like an outfit? Yeah. So it depends. It depends basically. Like if you're familiar with the song and stuff, but then what we did was, are you familiar with playing guitar? Okay, but basically we have this from this so basically we put it all this into the so what you have to do that you see those musical pieces, you just have to basically treat it and then come back with one line at a time. And there will be just and but it takes quite a while. So like doing all music.
So impressive. We can do it around. You get to keep it.
Oh, that's the thing. We want to keep it, but then our supervisor wanted to be kept in
It's nice being able to get our
head of mechanical. He wants to put it in first floor.
I mean, it should go on display.
Yeah, I think so. I feel like I know people who say this the first time they come to the so yeah, that's good. I mean, do you know the song? I mean, I don't know if you know this song. Young Kai? I don't think a lot of people would know this. It's kind of trending, though. It's one.
I don't recognize it.
Oh no. So yeah, that's strumming, and then you just know the song was so this is strumming means you play all the instruments together, and then there's one more song where you're gonna not play them together, but to separate. So you play the song,
You will be fine. You'll be fine.
yeah, just know what's happening. I don't know who they are. I was about to sing, and then suddenly, so this is basically our project. It's a robot guitar, and it has 3 interesting subsystems, which enables the whole guitar to be played autonomously. YouTuber, I don't know who they are, 5 people. Introduce yourself, please.
Hello.
This is Julian Tan, Didi. Okay, anyway. We have picking, we have fretting system, we have control system, and all these 3 they work together to play the song automatically, so you don't have to play them by yourself. The only thing you have to do is choose the song and say we just let her go and then press play, and then that will play the song. There we go. let's say we'll play. We wish you a Merry Christmas because it's not Christmas. I'm kind of missing Christmas already. So,
Happy birthday to you. Yeah, I think also converted from automatic icon.
why is it? No, I mean, why is it not so good?
Oh, because whenever we change, they will not exhibit it. Yeah. What do we do? Ah, we brought stickers.
This is Robert with
You're welcome.
Can you
Yeah, you can play with it.
play with it?
Really?
Yeah.
How do I do it? Oh, just choose a song.
Go through.
All right. I play, yeah.
It's kind of loud, so you might have to.
We're giving us £100. Do you want it? £100?
For that? Yeah, I'm gonna buy it.
100? Yeah, I mean, you're not making money, bro.
100 quid, yeah.
1,000.
You know blue bayang, right? Blue bayang. Why don't you know that song?
We're trying to put them on so bad. Yeah. Okay.
This is from me. This is how they play separately in spring. Now they play.
Beautiful.
Did you get to the place?
Still loading.
So this one, because we couldn't find like easy removable way yet, so we have to bolt it. But this one, there's no drilling or anything.
Destroyed the guitar.
There's this, yeah, kind of, but this one is okay. So like,
This,
yeah,
this actually is just a clown.
this one can.
Does that make not affect the acoustics?
No, yeah, because basically this is still kind of like attached. It's that in some bond. Sorry, what?
Dre holds in that.
No, because we did one test. So that one test we did where oh yeah, it's kind of small, but this one's the guitar, this one's the human player. If you can see like most music, like program. Yeah, or is that? I didn't okay, yeah. So like with this, and when you compare like you say one note, I don't know if you're familiar with guitar, but then it's high E, right? So you play this one high E, human play the high E. So they basically have the same beat, have the same energy, which for us we just say that it's and then that's I think how
It sounds like a guitar.
it is. It's just all this, like servo noise. If you can hear just now, it's kind of
Wait, so
obvious.
what are you using to strike the strings?
Just guitar picks. We kind of cut it. Yeah, just not on guitar picks, and then we cut them small. They are. Yeah, I mean, you can just go for it. And, don't worry, you won't. But yeah, it's kind of hard to like. It's blocked, but then it's legit guitar picks. It's not guitar picks, but then we just cut it because it's too big that it won't fit. Then stick all this one's just 3D printed. Most of them are 3D printed. But so you play guitar, right? So you know when tapping you do it through frost. So how we remove that noise is if you can see like we have flip pads. So those kind of like remove those like hitting times.
Yeah,
So this one would do it.
Both sides actually, this side and this side.
Yeah. Like yeah.
So was that something you thought of before you made this process?
She knows do. Friendly.
No. Yeah. So you were saying no. This one they basically just like gave up what the order we can use, and basically we moved the person on this one. So it's not like
This is one of the supplements.
yeah. The idea was from the head of department of mechanical engineering. So yeah, because he wants to put like some more cheerful stuff in the building. So that's why. So this one we would have to keep it because they're gonna take it to the top. Wait, I can sing as well. Sorry, what?
Some of these you're holding up very close to the side.
Yeah.
Is that the thing?
Yeah, the thing is, because we use 3D printers, and then like sometimes they aren't 100% accurate. That's why, even though we can model it on 3D, they're the same, but then it's supposed to be like, and also the hot pads, we could get them like the same 100% accurate cuts, so that's why the thickness are a bit different, but it's fine because the thing is, as long as they kind of just press fully, so it won't like have different note, and it's fine. You seem to like this one really much, very much.
That's some of the most interesting projects.
You play guitar? You play guitar? I mean, for us, like not most of us, only one of us knows how to play guitar. So you're gonna have to like also learn how to play guitar. Like, reading all these notes and chords can become yeah. But yeah, it's kind of fun. It wasn't working so far. So this one's can't do the bands and slides. It can't it won't move, but then that was our first idea.
Oh, you want to do like
Yeah,
listen to like all the time.
yeah, that was the first idea. But then because if you have like more stuff moving, we had like problems with it, so we couldn't finish it. We think we would finish it in time, so we just have to like keep at least like it could say basic chords with like the 4 frets covered.
If you were to design this for like, if you could do the entire fretboard, would you make this in slide or would you just make it like?
I think the best way to do it is slide because it's more expressive and it could play more styles.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it would be like so troublesome because you have to match the timing and stuff movements, but then someone has done it, so it's not impossible. Yeah. But for now, yeah.
People have made this thing before.
Yes, they do. So, like all of this, people have done it, but then as you can see, their designs, then they're kind of like bulky and then so big and heavy, and then like it's not really right, big. So that's what one of the things that we're trying to like fix, so to make it lightweight, to make it modular, so that it can easily be changed. So, yeah. So the most successful one is this one. This one's through the sliding, but this one costs like 30,000 US dollar. So we're trying to like do one that's like maybe cheaper than that, like much cheaper than that.
What's the hardest song you've got on there?
Hardest song. What's the hardest song?
Hardest. What is hardest?
My best friend. Wait, do you know anything of best friend? Let her go, maybe. No? Yeah, but bro, what's another thing? The hardest. How do we say if it's hard or not, bro? Because I think in terms of hardness, it just depends on if it's strumming or finger picking. I think it's easy to put finger picking effective strumming because you have like longer toes and all that. Yes, they do.
I would do that.
This one is finger picking.
Oh, but you have some like little strings that they get.
Yep, that's strumming, right?
Yeah, it's not really.
Oh, yeah. You mean finger picking? Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, so we can do that. So what we have to do is they have kind of like slight delay in between them. So they actually not at the same time, but just like delay. But I think not the same delay as in what you got the real person doing it. So
how did you program these songs? Can you like feed in sheet music?
now we have to do it like manually ourselves.
You have to code every note.
Really, yeah, exactly. So like you have to read off the musical sheets and it does, but because I mean we haven't tried it, but then like we said, like having it to work first was our main priority. So yes, I just like see the versions of them, but those are like in future. But we were thinking of like but we were thinking of AI, but we still don't know where to go with AI. Right? We were thinking like they are the ones who can make change the tabs or guitar chords into the code. But we tried it. We tried to do it didn't work. So we have to do it ourselves. That's why.
To go out, actually, there are music notations.
No, I just I can.
Really?
In like music notations.
Oh, really?
I think you could use like rock.
Awesome. Wait, do you do computer science?
I was in last year.
Yeah, it's just small for consoles and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Inside,
Oh.
then
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait, are you still in the group?
No, that was last year. I graduated.
Oh, so is that like continuation from last year?
So we can already call her
Oh,
four.
I see. Oh, you're big man as well.
maybe later. We can
Yeah, but it's easy to expand.
Oh, you're guitar last year.
I would have never this.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
I
very
really
cool.
like, I really seen their poster. I think I really like their poster. I've not seen their robot yet.
Yeah. You should check it out. They did what we did.
They did what?
They did what we did.
Oh, damn, really?
It's quite impressive.
Yeah. Good. Anyway, guys.
just choose. Your name. That's the movie.
Yes. Oh, that one, yeah.
The king. Do you mind if I go for you? I don't know. Oh no.
You like give it an error, you want it to copy some software, and it's like based on the grid,
Just set up like I don't know. They might think our team's too fragile, but I'm just
Where is your kid like this? Where does he work? What part of the building? Someone's house. Someone's house. Because we have 3 different kids at home. All right. By doing a lot of
Did you get them pictures from UCL?
Yes. Yeah. That's right.
Yeah, those two is enough.
Everything was left.
It's this point down here.
Yes, like that. I'm sure you've got We've got one song. No, we've only got one song for. We've only got one song with chords. It's blue and Hamid. So it's we did try to deliver actually because we had it out the red one, but it's just really good Did you do anything
Extract the salt file, salt file, and then all the no, not so we have like our own 3D operation or our own format for salt files.
So do you have a manual? Yeah. So this is automatically processed.
So we manage it like stuff like this. So you create zero, the initial and placeable intro part, basic chorus.
And what's the most expensive part?
So it's not, fully hardware. It's somewhere in between hard coding and music.
A piece of silver. But when
You break any strings?
and then it's
You break any strings?
No,
like
I thought we would at the start.
How'd you?
Quite lucky.
That's really great.
Can you fit it onto a different device?
I've never tried that.
Electric guitar.
You might. I'm not sure if it does.
yeah.
What was the hardest part about it?
Sorry?
What was the hardest part about it?
Well, for me, sound became for me. So, the hardest part for me was getting all the processes to fit on the controllers. Because I something got memory.
Oh, really?
So it had to be quite optimized.
Raspberry Pi, right? Oh, Arduino.
So Arduino and Raspberry Pi. But it used to just be an Arduino. And I
Yeah.
had to expand it to both.
How do they communicate?
There's a like USB.
Yeah,
It's like a
serial?
serial
Okay.
connector in between.
Right. So you ran out of memory on the Raspberry Pi?
Yeah, and I had to design this communication protocol where I send specific packets to do specific things.
Wait, so you ran out of program memory?
Yeah, RAM, essentially.
Right.
On Arduino. So
On the Arduino?
Yep.
Right.
So
Okay.
I take some of the tasks from Arduino, shift it to the Raspberry Pi. So that solves. That was the hardest thing I did.
Do you look at any other like PCs?
No, it's quite different Arduinos. I think Raspberry Pi was best because it has quite good processing power and it can run its own little desktop. That's why we have web app.
You play the guitar?
My Rubik teach me a lot.
This is the first time I read the How much was the guitar? How much was the guitar? How much did you pay for the guitar?
Oh, it's one of my Rubiks. Those basically we want to buy a new one. I already had a spare one.
Also the use high energy.
And it's the Queen.
That's the top.
This is some of those all hands.
I wouldn't pay the second one. The second one is like stress test. Actually, we could. I'm not sure how we would.
So there's no
Curiosity's sake. It's obviously not happening. So we designed
Maybe that's
How many,
the
like,
next type of
iterations?
format. Yeah, I don't know if that's like how to use the interlock and put the tension. Maybe that's where
On the mechanical side, or
and test it.
yeah, most of the delegated class. So not quite like three full prototypes together. More like three separate prototypes.
It's just a novelty. There's no succeed.
you have like a springs
Yeah.
for the pick?
So
Um,
it's a lead screw, so it allows you to like when you
Interesting.
twist the screw, it goes up and down, just for calibration. We're having lots
So
of
to summarize the workflow, first there's a kitchen blender for mass production.
Did you try any other
We
motions?
enhance the mechanical
we have solenoids here.
Did
then
someone
we
know?
add this and stabilizing the second.
Not really. I think it's mostly because the solenoids are too strong. And we can't change the force in the solenoid. So it's sort of
Encourage air to come into the water and air interface. Stabilizer basically works as its name suggests, stabilizer to avoiding bubble collapse. And yeah, the fire tolerance was added just for communication.
And it's actually true.
yeah, this is comparing the sound quality of
Yeah.
But is it better or worse?
They don't get it, man. Nobody gets it.
Or better?
It's mostly the same, except for a few different small
We have done the series of testing, improving the high-performance and mechanical quality. And later we have a scientific video.
What was the most expensive controller? The Raspberry Pi?
Summary of our design. Usually, when considering about
So that's under behind that screen.
about 2 key parts. The first one is the density.
What's this?
That's a driver board. So the Arduino connects to the driver board, which connects to the servos. And that driver board just acts as a intermediary to help actuate the servos.
Did you try it on a like electroacoustic?
No, we not. I think our aim was just to get it on the acoustic guitar, and working on
Alright, cool.
This shape.
kind of here with the prototype. So what is the prototype?
Like a triangle. Right corner. Oh, you guys why?
The whole track
Are you on? So did you log in like Bitcoin or something? I'm not using it anymore. You guys all right? Oh. You can say. You can wait, hold on. Okay, this is you can say robot guitar. So we want to play now, but we're having some like changing stuff.
This is just for the prototype. As well as the presentation,
No? I mean, I mean, you can choose.
It's like you are using the servo motors to
Exactly. Yeah, both. The right hand and the left hand. Yeah, that's
how you are controlling them by using Arduino.
Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Yeah, at the back of every phone.
How much this system cost?
500 pounds approximately.
Let's
But
It's your project fund, right?
sorry, no, project fund is 2,500. But like for just this exact prototype is 420. But then after a lot of iterations, they all cost 1,500. So then if you're just asking for this one, manufacturing and stuff, they're just 420.
Yeah.
Unemployed.
Yeah, but this one, you know what? This one designs modular, so you can trade it independently. So you can, yes. So you can share it yourself. So maybe you don't know how to play guitar. Maybe I think you know. Just like you know how to play guitar. But I don't know how to play guitar. So for me, I don't know how to play guitar. So this one will help me to push on the string, and I'll just have to strum it.
It's also supervised by Richard.
Exactly. Yeah. Even if they have like injuries or stuff.
I think the timing is the one of the important
When do you expect it to go to the
So you
market?
need to make it right.
We have no plans for that
Arduino
yet.
was able to control the timings.
Yes. But like,
Only just started
I mean,
this year.
if you just use Arduino, you have memory
So do you got the funding for this?
where, because if you want to play a full song, there will be a lot of
So we get
the
funding
RAM memory isn't enough if you just use hard. So you have to combine that.
And you design all these stuff by yourself.
They're quite okay. The timing is actually quite okay. It's just to get all this mechanical stuff to work, to be like finished and then tested.
What's the difference of this blue and the
Coding part also one of the hardest part because you can
The white part is the big installation on the shaft, the servo. The servo
are you
rotates
still
and then the shaft
or are you
transfers the
oh,
rotation.
so you guys also at the other side. Ah, so you guys are like doing exhibitions. You guys are already doing ah,
is it? How do you
thank you so much. Yeah. We initially used solenoid,
Yeah.
but
We had like a,
solenoid, yeah.
I can't explain it because it's very difficult.
Yeah, and also they tend to heat up so fast that it's
It's quite simple.
which is this one's really good because last time we have so much of that, but then for 6 months we have to change it. So this so we have three different systems. So three different groups separately would think of the design. So I am in charge of the setting system, which is the top one. So I'm in charge of this one. So, yeah, but my friends do this one, and then this guy is
Yes. We have I think the most complex song is one with the
made a
You
library
play guitar?
of the first
strumming. The one with strumming.
Or ukulele?
Ukulele is kind of the same.
How complex songs can we talk?
As complex as fingerstyle, so you know fingerstyle? Fingerstyle, it's when you play with all your fingers, so you can pluck, let's say, the fifth and the first string at the same time. So it's basically can take
The goat is explaining.
just singing voice in a song, as well. You can play as well the bass,
That's
the
my baby goat,
melody in the middle.
greatest of all time.
it's as complex as fingerstyle, but it can also play like strumming, so it's very simple songs. And it can be an accompaniment to another guitar player or to a singer. And it can also be, yeah, like this, simple flat picking, so like one note, one note, one note.
And all your courses here are from mechanical engineering. Do you have something more from arts?
All mechanical.
Living. Are you very
So you guys have basically created like
Oh, yes, then.
Yeah, and I'm curious what to make, guys. I didn't know that playing.
Yeah, this is a robot guitar. So
Yeah, I know, but I'm just wondering.
how we do
So you
it?
have like
Servos.
12 servos.
12 servos, yeah.
So 6 strings, 3 positions.
Yep.
So it should be 18.
4 frets. So 6 strings, and then it goes to 4 frets. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so you can play C, G, you know, like
All the basic chords that we can play.
Free, open, not 18, right? You can play all that. Yeah. 6. Yes, it's 6, yes. 12, 18, yes. It should be because you have 6 strings. Yes. 12, 18. So to cover 3 positions, you need 18 actuators, yes? No. Yes.
To cover 3, you mean 3 frets?
Yeah.
No, because one actuator can cover
2 frets.
2 frets for 1 string.
Ah, okay, okay. Like 3 positions.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 positions.
2 positions.
Yeah. So what this string? Let me show you from.
Aha, okay. Yes, I can see.
Yeah, you can see,
I can
right?
see. So that's why you have 24.
Yeah,
So
this
you
one
have
is-
one more
this-
thread.
this one is-
My problem is solved
Okay.
because I was calculating.
Oh, yeah. So 4 frets. 4 times 6, 24. Yes, 24.
It's interesting.
Thank you so much.
So can you play? Can you show me something like picking?
Yeah, picking. You can scroll through the.
But which is picking?
Oh, picking. Let her go.
The simple, this is like more fingerstyle.
Oh, this is more from the south instead of.
I don't know.
You don't have fixed, huh? You are not using fixed.
It's fixed, but we cut them into smaller.
Okay. To have less force and.
To make it more compact.
It won't fit if we.
Ah, okay.
Cool. A lot of work.
Yeah. We also have strumming if you want to see strumming.
Yeah, strumming I've seen.
Strumming. Have you seen strumming?
Yeah.
Do you want to see it? Yeah, that's right. Right, yeah, exactly.
Who is playing guitar?
Eventually, you all have to kind of learn and grow up.
Side effect of the project is everyone is understands how the guitar works.
Which is really fun.
Theoretically.
Which is really fun.
I was thinking that you could take some linear belt and you
Yeah, and it moves.
yeah.
Sliding, right?
Yes, sliding to
We were planning to do that, but it didn't work. It took us 6 months, nothing worked, so we have to just stick with it.
Are you what you have been trying?
So last time we have this one is servos, right? Thank you, Tom. This one servos. Last time we have solenoids. I can show you.
Solenoids, no.
Solenoids. So, but
Not enough pressure.
not enough exactly.
If you
This
don't
one-
play guitar, you don't know how much you know.
This one.
Look at my fingers.
Oh, you play. Okay. So this one solenoid, and then this one should move up and down, but then it doesn't have enough force, exactly like what you said. So we have to choose. So by the time we finish this one, we didn't have time to make it move up and down.
No, but I think this moving that would be too much. So if you
Yeah.
not achieve such a speed,
Yes,
the synchronization of the servo is difficult
That
because
is-
you don't have actual reading.
That is-
Better to stick with something, that.
That is correct.
It's always good to get to some stable.
That is true.
So it's 1 year, yes?
9 months? Around 9 months? Around 9 months.
It's very short time, yes?
It is. Given more time, maybe you would extend this probably. But it's not moving. It's
Okay, yeah. Sure. But this guitar would look horrible, because you would put like a. Now
This one still looks okay.
it resembles guitar, so aesthetically it's very okay.
Exactly. Yeah. That's what people like as well. They don't want them covering the guitar so much.
So congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. It seems like it looks a lot.
It's almost 45.
Can you explain what's going to happen after this? Can you explain what's going to happen after this?
Oh, so we're gonna have our prototype assessment where a few assessors are gonna come and ask us a bunch of questions, and I don't know how long it'll be, but pretty big marks, like I don't know what, 25.
25%. Yeah. He said what he said.
You close your eyes, you don't even know it's machine.
Yeah, you know what? Pretend you don't hear the servo.
That's really cool.
Thanks.
I think mechanical engineering is probably like the coolest course that comes to one of those. Because one of the courses can have like all this stuff. Yeah. Look at like computer science, like exhibition. What are you gonna look at? Like some programs. Yeah.
You guys print more?
Yeah,
You guys print more?
No, we just sent
all the presentations and stuff.
Yeah, I don't think this stuff is bad. Especially for
I mean, you guys are like the experts on this, Like you worked on this a whole year. You can get a good idea.
I hope so. I can say
I hear a little song.
Damn, bro.
there's more to come.
That's a nice spot.
UI.
Yeah, exactly. That's pretty good.
Very clear.
How much did the guitar cost compared to the rest of your stuff? Cheap out the guitar. Yeah. Whoa. Really? Good deal, man.
sustainable.
Yeah, that is sustainable actually.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is great. Oh, does it work for other guitars with like maybe has a slightly different neck?
You would have to kind of
Spend it.
Yeah, fair enough. But I mean, I guess you need like a tight fit, right, to make sure it doesn't move around and shit. Yeah, fair enough.
I would say like classical guitars, the neck width is much wider. So these basic utilities.
The most standard acoustics, the main difference is just how high the string is.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the string action, like pressing down, that's kind of easy to fix. But yeah, width.
I think the pros have the whole like it being displayed like this with the UI and everything. They're gonna come in and be
That's
like,
pretty cool.
it just displays. It's so cool. Did you have to ask permission before you're allowed to turn it off as well?
No, we were setting it on. So
They never stole the TV. So we were just like, they stole your TV?
No, they stole a TV.
We stole the TV as well. We needed it though.
If you can steal TV, we can just turn ours on. So.
I think everyone's been theirs on.
Huh?
Every group has been theirs on.
Yeah. Fuck it. You guys spend a lot of effort making sure it doesn't get like a tapping effect.
yeah, because if you go closer, like at the end of this plan, we have felt pads.
Yeah.
Because if without the felt pads, we have those
So will the felt pads damp the sound a little bit as well?
Not exactly, like it don't really 100% remove the sound, but it's tested a few different materials like PPU, like filaments, like flexible filaments, they don't work so like as good as felt pad.
So when you're trying to decide what material to use, were you trying to find something that was similar to like a big?
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense. Have you ever? Do you think you would be able to play songs that also use tapping as well? At all?
Yeah, because you just have to like kind of make it fast, but it is so strong. Because this one also like although like it's kind of removing a bit the noise, but it's still right.
I think the cool thing about tapping is right now your motors are fast enough to play 80 notes, right?
Yeah.
When you have a tap, you get a sound compressed and on release. You get 2 notes, so technically you're playing at 60. You can play much faster. Have you seen like there's this guitarist and all he does is tap. It's fucking annoying actually. He's got like tattoos on his neck and stuff. On the phone, yeah, Tim Henson. Yeah. He pisses me off a little. He's tapping too much. I like tapping, but I don't like it that much.
Can you guys like program it in real time to play different music?
No.
Only preset songs.
Yeah.
Yeah, presets.
How did you program it?
Basically, we've had like find our own song file format, and that
Okay.
So that's like a basically find like variables.
You know what's also cool is that like a lot of artists use like loop pedals now to make.
They changed the chords.
I was gonna ask in the presentation, but I didn't want to accidentally torpedo you. Which is
I think it was a good thing then.
like if you're playing drums, for example, but you need someone to play guitar with you, this would be the application, right?
Yeah.
So,
That's exactly right.
like for you have your own band. If you have no friends, this
Yeah, I mean,
this is
you know,
for
like our supervisor wants us the next group next year to do like another equipment, violin or drum. So he wants to make like a whole robot band.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Acrylic is acrylic sustainable? Oh, Lego. That's Lego.
Do you guys have any songs that play with strum patterns? You know, like
PLA, biodegradable, bad print.
really cool stuff.
Oh, you haven't done it yet? Sorry, should have told me. Good luck. You'll do great. Thank you.
Hey, blue ba yung tayo?
Sing.
No! Too fast forward, cannot. Like, no. Maybe. You know what? I mean, I have that one. I'm playing and then I'm singing. When did I put it? Right? That's why. WhatsApp. Almost there. It's red. Red, huh? Or no? Oh, it's still on. Yeah, it's like that. You guys like something?
Oh yeah, you can play some. Choose any song.
Espresso is funny, no? Let's do espresso. Where is it?
I think it's slow. Yeah, it's a bit slower.
Like the song? Or
Yeah, you set the BPM to low.
I guess I hear it.
Just imagine Sabrina competition in very slow.
Yeah.
I'm trying to imagine it. I'm trying to imagine it. I'm missing it. Like, where is she at right now?
Maybe play something more.
Okay. Gotcha. Jingle bells. I was gonna let her go, but you know what? Okay, jingle bells it is. I should recognize this. That's so cute. What the hell? That's really cool. Yeah. How are you feeling?
Almost.
Really, almost my head. When? Oh, okay. Wow, yours is the most good. I just use cars and rocket. It's so boring. Can I use one of the cars? No, who's sacrificial guitars? Sacrificial guitars. But like, did you have like? It doesn't hurt with the guitar, right?
It gives you 1, 2 holes in it. But it's fine. It doesn't mess up the sound.
Oh, that's so funny. All this for well, fair enough. It's your master. Tell me what's cool. Like, be honest. What's a cool project that I should actually walk on? The what? Oh. So what else is something?
Us.
Hi guys. Hi.
Hello. So your team here?
It's recording. Yeah. Is that okay or should we?
Okay. They're live streaming. To who?
Nice.
Well, it's not for 2 hours, but
Yeah. Are we live streaming? Is that okay or should we?
I think for the assessment, you should probably turn it off.
Yeah.
okay. And stream. Do you want the whole internet?
There you go. Yep.